Hey everyone! Today we're discussing how to survive the first 90 days after the collapse. In times of crisis, quick action and preparation can make all the difference. Let's dive in. First, secure a sustainable food source. Consider starting a garden with raised beds and keeping chickens for eggs. Second, ensure you have a reliable water supply. A rainwater collection system or a nearby natural source with filtration is essential. Third, establish an off-grid power solution like solar panels or a generator. Fourth, stock up on essential medical supplies and portable medical kits. Fifth, develop a plan for self-sufficiency. Learn how to farm and milk a family cow. Sixth, secure your home, fortify entry points, and create a safe space for your family. Seventh, build a network with fellow preppers and homesteaders for support and resource sharing. Eighth, focus on skills development. Learn survival skills like fire making, shelter building, and first aid. Ninth, have a bug-out bag ready with essential items for quick evacuation. Finally, maintain a positive mindset and stay informed. Knowledge is power in a crisis. If you like this video and want more info on this topic, click on this video here. You can also get more life-saving information at isurvivethrive.com. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our I Survive Thrive YouTube channel. Check the description below this video for helpful links.